We are almost just a few days. It's June 30th right now, and you might be watching this later, but I am seeing a lot of the greenhouses closing up. This was one of the greenhouses I was able to go into and check out, and she did an amazing job. Like, look at the begonias, and she had everything. She had the vegetables I'll show you in just a few minutes, and the zinnias I was just showing you. It was very hard to behave myself because I had actually started a lot of seed indoors, but I can appreciate this hard work. And of course, I grabbed a few things. She had some beautiful apricot cosmos that I'm excited to see in bloom in just a blink of the eye. But it's been feeling like it's taking forever, and now we're here and everything's closing down and I drove around and this one was gone, and I was thinking I should have got some cucumbers. I should have done it, but I was behaving myself. And if you're feeling like that too, here's some visual goodies to enjoy too as well, because there's some I enjoy taking pictures and just videoing this. That is one of the highlights that I had this year, and that is actually hilarious. I'm in my 40s now, and this is the things I'm doing, but I hope it's fun for you, and I hope you see um, some really good, helpful things and ideas to keep you going and keep yourself motivated and excited in the garden. This morning, I woke up early, got some weeding done, and it felt so good before the heat came in. And things are coming along, and in a blink of an eye, like I said, I will be able to share that with you.